Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code 101 in a quick and practical way so you can access the store and community pages without any loading problems. This error usually occurs when Steam cannot connect to its web servers. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router can fix temporary network issues. Next, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam web pages may not load properly on restricted connections. After that, clear Steam's web browser cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Web Browser, and click Clear Cache and Cookies. Then restart Steam. You should also try running Steam as administrator to avoid permission-related problems. Another useful step is to temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, as they can sometimes block Steam connections. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version available. After following these steps, error code 101 should be resolved and Steam should work normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.